There are many ways to share videos you've created using SundaySky. To take advantage of real-time rendering, we recommend using a landing page. We've made it easy to create one inside the platform, so you can get your video out quickly and easily. The SundaySky landing page builder was developed based on our extensive video expertise and best practices for distribution. We've made it easy, so you can build an effective page in just minutes. Let's begin by selecting the video you'd like to create a landing page for, and then clicking Create a Landing Page. This will open up the landing page builder where you can configure things like the logo and colors, poster image, video player settings, your text headlines, and an on-page button. As you make changes, your selections will be reflected immediately in the preview area. Once you're happy with how your landing page looks, click the Create Page button on the bottom right. You'll be directed back to the video overview page, where you'll see the status of your new landing page. To activate it, you'll need to publish your video. Once you've created the landing page for a video, there are a few actions that can be taken from the channel section of the video page. Here, you can get a link to your page, edit it, test your page, deactivate, or delete it. We hope that helped. To learn how to publish your video, click the button on your screen. Feel free to also browse the Help Center for additional tutorials and tips. Best of luck sharing your video on your new landing page.